In this video I will show you a quick test and review of some of the main features of the Inkbird instant thermometer. And if you want to know all the features, stay until the end, and there I will list a complete overview of all the features.
I just got this brand new Inkbird digital thermometer off of Amazon, and it only cost me 17 euros. So let me go over a few features of it and then test it in boiling water to see if it's accurate. So in the box it came with the recharge cable, and it's really easy to turn on. You just, let me close it first, open it up and it turns on. The display is lit up and it's now on Celsius, and if you hold the button it switches to Fahrenheit. Let me put it back because I live in Europe and we use Celsius. When you close it, it turns off automatically. Also, if you leave it on the counter like this, in about, I think it's been 10 minutes, it will automatically shut off. Let me go over a few features. I don't know if you can read it, but it says here it's accurate to 1 degree Celsius or 2 degrees Fahrenheit. 2 years warranty. It measures every 0.25 seconds, so it's real fast. And it's IPS-X5, so it's not dust approved, but it's watertight. Now let's test it in boiling water to see if it's accurate. First turn it on. Oh, by the way, you can put it straight if you want to go from above or on an angle, which is most of the time better. 27 degrees, see if it's fast and if it's accurate. Well, within 4 seconds, and it's 100 degrees, so it's accurate. And another feature of this is, if you put it in something hot, first take for instance, and your hand is over the fire, you don't want to burn your hand. So you can just press hold, and it holds the temperature, and now you can read it with your hand off the fire. And last of all, it's magnetic. So you can put it away easily, like this. So it's always handy and out of the way. And if you need it, you just pick it up.
And now for the complete feature overview of the Inkbird IHT-1P. Well, as we saw before, it turns on automatically when it opens. It's switchable between Celsius and Fahrenheit. There's a temperature hold function and a backlit screen for easier temperature readings. The temperature range is between -50 and plus 300 degrees Celsius, or -58 Fahrenheit up to 572 Fahrenheit. It has a temperature accuracy of 1 degree Celsius. It is also calibratable between -3 degrees Celsius and plus 3 degrees Celsius, with increments of 0.1 degrees Celsius. The total recharge time is 60 minutes. It has a working time of a total of 11 hours. It gives a temperature reading within 4 seconds. It reads every 250 milliseconds. It's IPX5 waterproof, so it won't break down when left out in the rain, and can be easily washed with running water. It has a magnetic backside, so it's easy to store out of the way. And finally, it automatically turns off after 10 minutes.
I hope you liked this review of the Inkbird digital thermometer. If you did, please leave a comment and a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.